Pep Fujas. I'm a professional skier. I ski out of Salt Lake City. I've been skiing basically my whole life. I had injured my right knee and had gotten surgery on my right knee. The repair that was done was put in more vertically than it should have been, and in turn it ended up stretching out. So my ACL was really loose for the last kind of 2 or 3 years. I felt a little bit hindered in my movement. He removed some of my muscle and removed some of my own tissue. So I really didn't want to have that again. I don't want to lose any of my body structure. Currently, I'm 9 days out of surgery. I dropped crutches after my first day, and swelling's almost non-existent and virtually no pain. So I feel great. My movement's coming back. I actually feel like a normal human being again. The environment that has been created here is unlike any other that I've seen. I mean, the doctor is in the same building as the physical therapist, so they're really interconnected, and that's really crucial. At this point, I really have 100% confidence that I'll be back to actually better than I was before.